my cuzzies, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm trying to look for a place to fly my kite. Come on. First, I have to set my kite up. This looks like a good spot right here. Okay. That's what it looks like. Kind of looks like a stingray, a real colourful one, eh? It's got 2 wings and even has a tail like a stingray. Now all we need is a perfect spot to fly it. I found the perfect spot. Come on. Whoa, this is the perfect place to fly my kite. Where's the wind coming from? It's going that way. All right, let's see if we can make this kite fly. Go, kite. Go, kite. Go, kite. Up, up, up. Oh, up, up. There you go. You're flying it, Barno. Let's see how high I can make my kite go. Look how high my kite is flying now. Oh, 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 careful, careful. Oh no, it's losing power. It's losing power. Oh no, we're back. We're back. We're back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down. Uh-oh. Ooh, I think my kite might need a rest. Come here, kite. Oh, you can have a little rest there, kite. Whoa, it's an awesome day at the beach today. Tamanui te ra's out and Tangaroa is sparkling better than ever. This is a beautiful time of the year. It's Matariki. I love Matariki. Hey, I learned a Māori proverb today, a whakatauki. It was, ka kitea a Matariki, ka rere te korokoro. And korokoro are a type of tuna. And at the time of Matariki, tuna, these korokoro, they will migrate from the fresh water to the salt water. And our stars that represent the fresh water and the salt water is Waiti and Waita. Oh well, I think that's enough of a rest. I want to get back to kite flying. Ka kitea no whānau.